Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just showing you a little Halloween basket that I made for my kids. Due to COVID, we decided not to go trick-or-treating this year, and everything I got was pretty much from the dollar store, Dollar General, and Family Dollar. And here I am just placing the stickers, kind of just seeing how I would want them to fit on the basket. I actually found these cute little, I guess they're supposed to be like room stickers from the Dollar Tree. And I know at our Dollar Tree they had a whole bunch of selections. I think they had SpongeBob, Mario, little characters like that. And I thought that was pretty interesting. I chose Mario because that's what my boys are into right now. They're obsessed with Mario and Sonic. As you can tell, I'm having so much trouble putting these stickers on, but the good thing is that they came off, and I was able to kind of place them how I wanted them to be, and you know, it wasn't bad for $1. Sliding down my back, and never alone when I hit the sack. Swings a thing with a ring-a-ding-ding, and I get wings when I sing. Ragtime, reason and rhyme, I'm the reason you're divine. Rumba, mambo, Latin, samba, the ladies in the house sing. Boy, I need to dance, if I don't dance. And now I'm just filling the basket with tissue paper. I chose blue because, the basket's blue and wanted to keep it the same color scheme. But how cute are those stickers? Are they just not the cutest? Okay, so Dominic's name I had to cut short because it did not fit, and Domino was the only thing that would, fit on the line. Here I'm just placing the stickers. On Dominic's, I decided to place Mario first in the middle because his favorite character is Mario. And in Martin's, I decided to place Luigi because Luigi's his favorite. As you can see in the back, I have some little like hooded blankets that have sharks on them, and they are so cute. I was actually surprised to find them at the Dollar General for $5. And I don't know if you can see, I have some like little Legos, obviously off brand because I'm not spending $15 on name brand Legos.
And here I'm just showing you some snacks that I got them. I didn't go too crazy with snacks because my neighbors are giving them Halloween candies, and I got little toys, Ryan masks, because who isn't obsessed with Ryan? Um, Fruit roll-ups. Like I said, not too crazy with the snacks. And this is the final basket. Those little wooden things are like night lights, and some bath bombs, two mini sodas, because I don't let my kids drink that much sodas. I have some socks in there. um just a lot of wonderful little things that I think that they would enjoy. And this is Domino's finished basket, and here's Marty's. Just same thing, same concept. um you know it's cute. I liked it. I like how it came out, and I think my kids will enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and have a happy Halloween.